Hey everyone and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how GitLab Duo CLI can help you troubleshoot pipeline failures in seconds, straight from your terminal, and with full context of your project. Let's dive in. Here we have a merge request for our application. We updated the health check endpoint to report database connectivity status, but the pipeline is failing. Let's fix it with Duo CLI. I will open my terminal and type Duo to start it. And I simply ask it to troubleshoot my pipeline failure. Duo automatically recognizes my pipeline, identifies the failing job and finds the root cause. Then asks for my approval before committing anything. That's it. Code fixed and committed. Switching to the MR, the pipeline is running, and in seconds it passes, ready to merge. And that's the power of GitLab Duo CLI, AI assistance with full context of your project in your terminal, right out of the box. Give it a try.